Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Grebal Online and I am your host Oche Inaligulena. Okay, in today we'll be talking about drop shipping again. Drop shipping is something that you cannot overflog. Yes, a lot of people think that drop shipping is everywhere in the world. A lot of people are into drop shipping, that the industry is dying. I tell you, making a very big mistake. It's now that drop shipping is even booming. Drop shipping is a very vibrant source of income when it comes to internet marketing, and a lot of people all over the world are into drop shipping. Yes, and the good news is a lot of people have been doing it in America, in Europe. Drop shipping has been very vibrant there. Now the good news is drop shipping is now in Nigeria, and a lot of websites in Nigeria are coming up. We have a lot of warehouses in Nigeria that are coming up. A lot of importers are in Nigeria now that you can actually link with them and drop ship for them. And I'll be showing you one website today that you can use for your drop shipping business in Nigeria. Yes, drop shipping is now in Nigeria. You trade in your Naira and you make your money in your Naira. It's very, very easy, and a lot of people can make money from this. If you're a student, if you're a housewife that maybe you've not gotten a job yet, or even you can even quit your job to start a drop shipping business. This is a a lazy way of making money. All you need is your laptop or your phone. But I'll be using my phone because I know a lot of people cannot afford a laptop in Nigeria. That's why I'm making this video using my phone. So you can use your phone to make money. Any cheap Android phone can be used to make money. And I tell you, if you start it, it's something you're not going to regret. So without further ado, I'm going to take you to my screen now. The website I want to show you today, I'll be showing you some other websites in subsequent videos. Yeah, so I'm going to introduce to you today a website that you can use for drop shipping in Nigeria here, and they have a whole lot of products that you can drop ship for them. And this website makes things very easy. When I started drop shipping in Nigeria here, a lot of my customers will want me to deliver before payment. Issue that is, they want a pay on delivery service. You can't blame them. A lot of them don't trust you, and a lot of them will see your online store, and it's really not something that they know. It's not like the big online store like Konga, Gigi, Jumia that they know. So they will actually want you to deliver before they pay you. So it becomes a very big challenge convincing people to actually pay before you do your shipping. But when I discovered some of these sites, they will ship for you, do the pay on delivery service for you, and after that they'll send your commission to your account. So this is very, very convenient. So in case you have a customer in your store that is asking you that they want to get a product before payment, this website is going to help you with that. Okay, so let me take you to the website now. The name of the website is called Tendo. Just go to your Chrome. If you are using a Chrome browser, you go to your Chrome browser or an Opera Mini browser, any browser you're using on your phone. Go to that browser right now and go to tendo.app. Yeah, tendo.app. Okay. Okay, so this is the website, tendo.app. This is the home page. This is how it's going to start. Every registration process is going to start from here. So this is Tendo website. You can see start your online business from home. Tendo enables anyone to start their online business without investing any capital. So just go to tendo.app. Tendo.app. Don't forget, not tendo.com, tendo.app. So when you get to tendo.app, you click on join Tendo. Okay, now even if you're in Ghana, you can use this app to make money. You can use this website to make money because I tell you, dropshipping is now going global and it's here in Africa. And this site makes it easy for people in Ghana and people in Africa to drop ship. Okay, so I am in Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria. And when I click on Nigeria, it's going to bring me to the reseller app. I already have the reseller app installed in my phone and I already registered with Tendo. So in case you just new to Tendo, it's going to take you to a page where you register. You put your email and your password, and that is all. The registration is very easy. Okay. All right. So this is Tendo's site now. This is the home page. You can see the products. They have a whole lot of products. You can see promotions for top selling products. You can see products that are sold out. You can see budget friendly products, Ramadan sales. I think this is also something that will move very well in this Ramadan, because Ramadan is fast approaching. So you can start making sales from here. Okay, look at all the products that they have. You can look at the products. These are the products, and it goes on and on and on like that, right? You can see the different categories here. You can see bags, clearance sales, combo deals, electronics, fashion accessories. We have a whole lot of products. So you can see the hair products here. So these are the hair products. These are hair creams and hair extensions. They are all here. Okay, so let me go back. Let me go to the home page. Okay, so this is the home page. You can see the products. So what you can do with Tendo is you can place an order for from Tendo here for your customer. You pick a product from here. You can advertise on WhatsApp, advertise on Instagram, whatever social media handle you use for advertisement, you can use it for advertisement. And if you already have a lot of friends on your WhatsApp or Instagram, you can send them direct pictures of the products here for them to buy from you. And I think that is easier because they are your friends. You have them in your contact already. They will trust you. Let them know you're doing drop shipping for a company, and they'll definitely buy from you. Okay. So for example, if I place if I advertise this necklace, for example, if I advertise this, for example, this product, if I advertise it and I have a buyer for this product, all I need to do is to place an order here from Tendo, and Tendo is going to deliver it to the person, to the customer, and the customer is going to pay Tendo, and the interest I added on it before I placed the order, Tendo is going to send it to my account, right? Now, you can share the product directly from here. Yeah, you can share the product directly from here. Like you can share it on websites, you can share it on WhatsApp, you can share it on social media handles. So let's go back. Then you can view the picture in gallery, right? It's going to download. You can also download the image from here, right? So the image has been downloaded. So the downloaded image can be sent to anybody on any social media handle. You can also create an online store. I'm going to be making a video on how I created an online store that got me a lot of sales, right? Okay, so for example, if a customer wants this, I can place the order for the customer here, and I'm going to take you through this so that you can know how it is being done. So what I do is I go to order now, right? And I enter my profit margin here. Now it is sold. Tendo is selling it for 1,400 Naira. I can add my profit of say 500 Naira. Okay, 500 Naira. So that's my profit. You try as much as possible not to put a profit that will chase your customers away. So I click on order now. Okay, now the product has been added to my cart, and this is the product, right? So what I do is I am going to check out this product. Now I am placing the order for a customer that has ordered for it, maybe from my store or from my social media handle, my WhatsApp or my Instagram. They call me or they chat me up and they say that they want this product. So I check out the product for them. So you can see my profit added is 500 Naira. Then the total amount plus profit is 1,900 Naira, right? So I click on checkout. Now you can see the summary of everything. Item is 1, total profit is 500, delivery fee has not been added yet, subtotal is 1,400 for the product, and the total is 1,900. So this first space here, if you're already using it for sale, you have some customers that you keep in your customer list right now. So since it's a new order and I'm putting you through all this, I'll show you how to send to a customer that has sent you his or her address. So once you go here, first of all, you add the name. Let the name be Tokwe. This is just an example, please. That's not my name. Let the name be Tokwe. And the address, okay, the phone number. Let the phone number be 08134534567. This is not my phone number in case you're trying to reach me with this number. I'm just putting the number here for the purpose of this class. Then your location, I can say number 4 Shegun Street. I wonder if there's a place like this. Okay, this is just for the purpose of this video. Number 4 Shegun Street. The landmark, let me say tree bus stop. Okay, I wonder if there is a place like this. Tree bus stop. All right, okay, so that's the landmark. Then delivery location, right? Okay, which location am I going to choose? I'm in Port Harcourt, so let me just put Port Harcourt here. Okay, now you can see the charges here for delivery, right? You can see the charges for delivery in Port Harcourt. So you can just pick any one of these, but they are being charged according to kg. So you look for the one that is cheaper, because this is something that is not heavy, right? So this is charging us 2,000 naira for delivery. Then a delivery note. Your delivery note could be anything. Let me say Grebal gift, right? Okay, it's a gift from Grebal store or Grebal Online. So let me just put Grebal gift as a description. Okay, it's optional. You can leave it blank if you want to. Okay, so now you go to next, right? Now you can see if I have a coupon, maybe a promo coupon, I can add it here, but I don't have a promo coupon. So you can see the customer's detail. The customer's name is Tokwe, and this is the customer's number is there. The address is number 4 Shegun Street at 3 bus stop, Port Harcourt. So if I click on submit now, Tendo is going to assume I have placed an order, and they are going to start taking my products to this place. So I am not going to click order now, because this is actually a fake address and a fake name just for the purpose of this class. And I'm going to clear this from my cart. Okay, so I'm going to clear this from my cart. All right, so that is Tendo for you guys. This is where you can make money online through drop shipping. I hope this video, you find value in this video, and I know if you find value in this video, please help me to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to hit the notification icon. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification icon so that you can get more of videos like this from me. And I'll be posting another dropshipping store for you in my next video. Yeah, I'll be making another dropshipping video for you from another website I also discovered in Nigeria here, which a lot of people have been using to make money. And I tell you, with this dropshipping, you can make up to 150,000 naira in a month just by sitting at home and selling products that are not yours. You don't ship them yourself. You don't store them yourself. All you need to do is just to ship out to people to buy, right? So it's very easy. Let's do the mathematics. Okay, let's say, let me go to my calculator. Okay, so let's say my calculator. Okay, so let's say you sell a product with a profit margin of 500, for example, and in a day you sell like 10 products, for example, right? Now you're getting up to 5,000 naira in a day. If you multiply this 5,000 naira in a day by 30 days, right? There are 30 days in a month. You see, you're making cool 150,000 naira in a month, and you can even make higher than this. Okay, so drop shipping, it's a very cool business for you to start in Nigeria, and I thank God that most websites are now opening in Nigeria, because it's there are some European and American websites that before you open them you need to reside in their country. But now Nigeria are bringing it to our doorsteps here in Nigeria. So thank you to Tendo for bringing this. Also, I'm going to share another website in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I know you're finding this content very good, and I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting more of more of such content from me. Okay, and also I'm going to, in another video, because I don't want this to be long, in another big video I'm going to be sharing how I created an online store using the pictures from this product and how it was automated. You can actually just click on the store and order the product immediately. Very, I automated it, yes. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step way of how to automate a store so that you don't have to stress yourself every time, or using WhatsApp, sending pictures one after the other to people. You can just combine a lot of products in the store so that they can pick from each they can pick their item from the store and place order directly from there. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and just like I say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A lot of good contents are coming from here. So subscribe to Grebal Online, and I know you're not going to regret it. All right, so peace. I am out of here.